Essential knowledge for professional welding. Welding is a common activity in every company. But, some might overlook the potential dangers. Many hazards are not visible. The risk varies from area to area, or project to project. Today, we'll focus on the materials involved in welding. Emissions and hazards. When metal is exposed to intense heat, it melts and turns into a gas. Once airborne, it cools and forms small solid particles called emissions. Welding emissions are smaller than a micron in diameter. They are present even if not visible. These tiny particles can bypass natural respiratory protection. They can reach the lungs and enter the bloodstream, affecting organs. Danger depends on toxicity of the metal, amount inhaled, duration of exposure. Common enemies in welding emissions: iron oxide, health effect, siderosis, lung disease; zinc oxide, health effect, metal fume fever; lead, health effect, lead poisoning, damage to organs; gases and vapors. Common gases: ozone, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide. Be cautious when welding materials coated with chlorinated hydrocarbons. Exposure can form toxic gases like phosgene and hydrogen chloride. Non-ionizing radiation. Welding produces intense light and heat. This can harm the eyes in three ways. Visible light strains eye muscles. UV light burns the cornea. Infrared light heats eye tissue. Skin can also be damaged by radiation. Other hazards. Welding environments involve thermal burns, noise exposure, electrical issues, fire, explosions, compressed gas handling. Prevention measures. Welding is a health risk. There are passive and active protection methods. Passive measures: mechanical extraction, ventilation controls emissions. Active measures: PPE must be worn. Respirators, face shields, gloves, long sleeves, jackets. Hearing protection. Full protection makes welding as safe as any other task.